Welcome everybody back to our Sunday school. What we're featuring today is going to be a trim restore. So right here I have two different trim restores that we carry at 3D. The first one is 7-Eleven Trim Care. That right there is nothing but silicone. It's very thick. It's very easy to apply, just a little bit thicker. The second one that we have is from the SiO2 GLW Series. That right there has SiO2 and a ceramic-based product. The difference, the SiO2 GLW Series is a lot easier to apply. It's not as thick and it goes on very easy. The Trim Care is a little bit more thicker. It takes a little bit more effort, but they're both very good. The Trim Care is nothing but silicone, and the other one is a lot more like water-based product, and it has SiO2, so it will repel water very nicely and beat up. Let me show you how you apply it. So what the Trim Care does in the Trim Restore, it makes all your faded black trims go back to black or back to gray, depending on the color that they are. So with the Trim Care, you want to rub in there like that. It gets into the surface nice and evenly, spreads out nice and evenly. And if you apply too much on there, what you want to do is get a microfiber and wipe off the excess. If you have a lot on it, wipe off the excess on the fender. If you apply some on there on the paint, you see the difference. It's a little bit more shiny and it's not oily. So now we're going to apply SiO2 Ceramic Trim Restore from the GLW Series. Apply the same way. I also think that the Trim Restore is a little bit more elegant. It's not so shiny, so loud like the Trim Care. So it can cater to two different types of people. Also not oily, dry to the touch. And there you have it. Thank you for joining us. See you next Sunday.